Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to create the memory box. So what is memory box? Memory box is basically a Notion template we are going to create to store all the moments that are captured in your phone. Like maybe the birthday party or the Saturday night moment with friends or anything you wish to remember. That's the whole memory box here. So basically I'm going to create a Notion template to store only the images of the memories you got or stumble upon in the moment. So first of all, to create that, we need to say hi to ChatGPT. So first, let's say hi. Okay, she said hi. Then now, let's tell her to imagine like this. So let's make her understand what we are going to make here. Yeah, it's a game that get data driven type of memories, photos, written notes, save audios, and just little links. She's saying all about this, memory box. Now we have the idea of what is memory box. Now let's add the framework. So I already create a framework. We just need three main pages: the areas, journal, and memories. So I extra added this journal because it's good to write things, right? If you see if you got a good star good thing in your mind, then you have to put that in here as a journal, or just then or link the memory to the journal and write things related to the memories. You can do whatever you want with this. So it's just an extra called journal. Memory is the main database here, and these are all the homepage pages we are going to create in the homepage. I'll talk about that later. So first, these are the three pages. So let's enter here. Second database is memories. Three is journal. Let's enter. Just, just the data. She's giving properties for her own, like name, description, icon, related memories that is related to this memories, image, description, tags, related area, channel entries, so on and so on. Okay. Also give me her recommendation in homepage. You don't have to mind that. So now let's specify how many properties so that she can give ChatGPT can give more detailed property list. So let's say I copied it and paste here and then send. I already created this prompt, so that's why I copied and then pasted here. Now she is giving a detailed property list, like create a time, more accurate information here. As you can see, this ChatGPT gave a ton of properties we can add into the Notion template database, but we just don't have to add the all information that ChatGPT giving us. We can think of for us and only add the suitable properties to the database. So I'm gonna do that and come here. Okay, guys, finally we completed our home page. Yeah, I used this the area database, memory database, journal database, and database to create this wonderful homepage. And inside the homepage there is for I create a uh, five page five dashboard pages. This is database, so I'm not including that. So in the dashboard page I create the memory section to capture the memories, then inbox them to right areas, then the memories you added today area, and the recent areas, and then favorite areas. Then there is also a journal section where you can capture first, then emotions, the journal that are connected to emotions. You can see that here, and then the journal you added today, the journal you added yesterday, 1 week ago, and this month. This month we use is as a calendar. After that, in the memory box, where it is the main box to add the images, like capture all the images and add to this memory box. So I added the birthday, the fitness for capture image, the traveled images. And then I said it's a image from Pinterest, but you can add the images from images of traveling or nature friendly. Then there is you can add the images of your group photos of your friends, and the working type, the shopping type, and so on. These all are example images, okay, not my personal. So this is an example. This is a main box. Memory box is a main system here. Then there is journal. Here is the journal. I tweaked this journal dashboard a bit. I will show you. First, there is entry you have added today and extra day, this week. This week and previous month. Then there is the emotion control system. First, you need to pull the emotion you feel right here, if it is sadness or anything. And then the second step is arranging that to the control, as I will show you first. For example, yeah, new journal. Okay, sorry. Okay, okay. Example one. Then you have to control this first. Notice the feeling. Yeah, we indeed notice that. That's the first step. It will go to here. Then after that, noticing, go to breathe in slowly. Yeah, do like that. Breathe in slowly, and then it will go to the second step. After the second step, we have the third step, which is embracing the feelings. That's the third step. Done. That's the whole process here. First process is just notice the feeling, then breathe in slowly, then embrace that feeling. That's the system here. And you can see all the journal in a daily calendar view. So after that, in the home page we have the tags. Tags are act like the areas act like tags actually. There is a section called personal fitness. Wait, it will load. Okay, areas, fitness, personal, business, relationships, and finance, say security. You can add more if you in the list if you want. This is the whole areas here. I changed the area to tags because it basically act like tags. That's what I mean. Okay, after that, you have the archived page. Archived page are basically the page that shows all the archived. Wait till what I'll show you. Yeah, right here you can see the areas you archived, the journal you archived, the memories you archived. Yeah, I didn't archive anything, and that's why you can't see it. But when you archive the pages in these three databases, then you can show up here. Okay, that's it. I finally create a wonderful system to control to run my wonderful system with this powerful three databases. That is with the help of ChatGPT. So in the areas I just added basically the description I can memorize that not exactly that ChatGPT has shown me. Actually that, like I added the name, description, icon, not the ID. I created time, lasted time to space to improve the tweak the features. Then I also related to memories, then not the memory count. I could add that because you can see the number of memories you connected to the area. Then there is memories. I added a name, data, media, like also a tag, and some of the related databases, and so on. We can pick whatever journal, whatever properties you like, and then brainstorm it and edit it later. So yeah, that's it. Basically, it's done. This is how I created these pages, and you can download this the memory X template in the description below. I will add a link. That's it actually. Over. This is how I created this wonderful memory X. I call it memory X with the help of ChatGPT. And yeah, if you like this video, please like the button. Download the template in the description, and subscribe for more helpful tips and see a powerful Notion template idea with the help of ChatGPT. Thank you.